Okay, warming up on the stairs. We want to get our heart rates up. There's a lot of stairs here. I believe there's about 150 steps, I think, from the bottom. So you can just walk up the stairs. Normally, if you're a beginner, you've not been here, the altitude itself will get to you a little bit. If you want a little bit more variety to the stairs, we like to do things like 1, 2, 3s, where we go every step, skip a step, and then skip 2 steps. It really gets those hamstrings engaged. And we start at the very bottom, do that all the way to the top. Great cardiovascular work. So we'll just go ahead and demonstrate singles, single steps, double, and triple.